Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the battery level and plugging into a charger. Low power can mimic hangs. Next, perform the model-specific force restart. Hold power and volume buttons for 10 to 20 seconds, because a hard reboot clears transient kernel or app deadlocks. Once done, immediately boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Safe mode disables add-ons so you can tell whether the OS or an app is responsible. Make sure to note any recent app installs or updates before proceeding. With safe mode confirming app issues, uninstall the most recent or CPU-hungry apps because they often cause resource contention. Once removed, clear individual app caches and, if available, wipe the system cache partition to remove corrupted temporary data that can freeze the UI. Then check for and apply OS updates. Updates include fixes for known hangs and driver issues. If an update is large, use Wi-Fi and keep the device charging. After each change, reboot and observe responsiveness to measure progress. If the phone still hangs, back up everything to cloud or a PC, photos, contacts, messages, and app data, because a factory reset will erase the device. Once backed up, perform the factory reset via settings or recovery mode. This removes stubborn software corruption. After reset, restore your backup and reinstall apps selectively instead of mass restoring everything. This prevents reintroducing a faulty app. If hangs continue after these final steps, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different ROM or professional hardware diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.